like I'm feeling like a man. Lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan.
Hey, I'm Chris. We're gonna jump right in. Today I'm gonna be rocking a wig from UNice, and they sent some goodies with the unit. So this is the UNice Realistic Kinky Curly Lace Front Human Hair Wig. It's a 13 by 4, came in 16 inches. So I'm just applying some foundation to my wig cap, and I also applied it to the lace. So this is what the unit is looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move those baby hairs out of the way. I didn't end up using those in the middle, but you guys will see why. Y'all see I have a low hairline, so I'm just going to use my natural hairline and pull it out. That'll give me a more realistic look for me. Then I'm going to take some Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray and spray the hairline and apply this UNice band. Love these bands. They work so good. And now I'm just adhering the wig a little bit more because I left the band on for 10 minutes the first time, and I'm just going back over with the side tabs. This unit fits my head so good, you guys. It fits so perfect. Everything is getting into place. I'm going to go ahead and spray the unit down with some water so I can get it shaped up to how I would like it to look. So I'm going to literally saturate it. The hair is all saturated. I'm going to go ahead and start off with a side part. Those are my favorites, so I'm just going to go ahead and part that out on the side. And then I'm going to take some Lotta Body mousse and apply that all over the hair. I did run out of this mousse, but this mousse works really good on curly hair. So I'm just applying that all over the hair. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, and that is going to get these curls really, really juicy, really popping. And I'm going to take my wide toothbrush and run it through the hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on my baby hairs, and these are my natural baby hairs. I didn't end up using any baby hair from the wig. You can if you would like. So I'm just going to go ahead and swoop those around because they already stick out anyways, y'all. Low hairline problems. And I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer and put that in the part. And then I did have to like touch it up a bit because I went a little bit overboard, but it's all good. I want to try that little black spray hack. I'm going to try that, but I didn't go to the hair store this day. But anyways, the hair is beautiful. Look how juicy the curls are. It has so much body. Yes, get into it. It looks so good. This is definitely perfect for those of you that like curly hair and short hair. It is so cute. So this is a 13 by 4 frontal. So I wanted to go ahead and do a little style at the front, and that's just what I'm doing here, gathering the hair, making sure none of the tracks are going to be visible. I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair down the middle, and I did add concealer to the part off camera, but I already have one bun in because I parted way too much, and now I'm going back and like fixing them because this is a 13 by 4, so you want to make sure you cover the tracks in the back with the frontal hair. I parted back too far, so I'm just doing 2 little space buns. Y'all know this is one of my favorite styles, and I'm just redoing that one on that side and getting it adjusted really quick, really simple and easy. And this is what the finished style looks like. Super cute. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Love it. Hey, I'm Krill. So we have now made it to the end of the video. So I just want to come and give my little feedback on the unit. As you guys know, this unit is from UNice and it's super bomb. This is their 13 by 4 kinky curly lace front unit, and I got mine in 16 inches. It looks so bomb, so pretty. This is right up my alley. This is my vibe. I love a curly wig. This unit was really easy to install, you guys. UNice always comes through. They have some of the best quality units out here in the wig game. To be honest, I've been working with them a lot lately, and they have not been disappointing your girl. They've been coming through for me, and they've been keeping me laid and slayed. This wig is so freaking cute. This is perfect for moving into summer, because we will be in summer soon, and this is going to definitely be perfect. The curl pattern is so pretty, so beautiful. It's so fluffy. It's lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my head. This is a 13x4, so it does part back not too far, but it parks back far enough for me to be able to do 2 buns. You can style this many different ways, you guys. That's what I love about curly hair. And I did use my natural hairline, so that was bomb as well. But this hair is so soft, y'all. Like, it's so soft and fluffy. Like, look at the definition on it. It's not tangly. It just feels so good. Like, this is some cute hair. Like, I'm really loving this hair. Like, this is bomb. It has so much body, as you guys can see. It does give off a little bit of shedding, but it's not bad at all. Y'all, this is bomb. Y'all know I don't use glue to like lay down my wigs. I just use freeze spray, and that works best for me. But I really like this unit, you guys. I really don't have much to say besides that this is a bomb unit. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a rating of an A. UNice, y'all came through. They always come through. UNice they be slaying these wigs. These wigs come on point. It does come pre-plucked. You can do more plucking if you'd like to. I didn't do any more plucking, and I feel like it looks really good. Really good, girl. Really good. Really good, girl. Really good. I'm definitely giving scary spice realness today. It's giving scary spice. No, but the wig is bomb. So make sure you guys check out UNice Hair. Everything about them will be in the description box below. This unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.